Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! Today I am so excited to show you guys what I got for my birthday. Little surprise that I got from someone special. My husband. I will show you guys how he surprised me at the end of the video, so please stay tuned. Alright, let's get started. So as you can see, it's almost Valentine's Day too, so I got this balloon, and this one said happy birthday, and this one said I love you. Alright, so you guys, I'm so excited for this. I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and then I'll show you the final one. So I got this. Well, he put everything in a box, and the biggest one's in the bottom, and then there was a cardboard, and on top of that he puts all these like cute little stuff, and with their ribbons and balloon wrapped up on it, and it was so cute. But and he got me a card, and by the way, whatever it says on the card, he picked the right one. Alright, I sound so silly right now, but so at the bottom, what I see is the MacBook Pro. I've been wanting to get this one, but I was waiting for like when you buy a MacBook Air or MacBook Pro, you get a free Beats Dr. Dre headphones. So I was waiting for that, but I'm like, you know what, I don't want to wait. I need to have it soon so I can edit my videos and upload as much as I can on YouTube. So yeah, the reason I like doing this YouTube video is because later on I want to rewatch it, and when I have kids and stuff like that, I want to record it and everything. So yeah, I want to start editing, and then I want to. So this is kind of like what I got for my birthday. I guess it's for Valentine's Day too, but I'm not sure. So this is basically unboxing video as well. So let's get unboxing this. I'm so excited. This one is space gray, and I got the 15-inch Retina touchscreen. I mean, not touchscreen, touch bar. So let's get started. Also, this candle came with it too. Smells so nice. Ooh, it has three thing on it, and yeah, this smells so good. Here we go. Oh, wait, no, wait. Well, I'm using a nail clipper. I wanted to open as soon as I got this, but I'm like, you know what? I want to do unboxing video with this. I'm so excited. Wow. Oh my god. Damn, this is big. That's what she said. Okay. What comes with it? A charger. Just a charger. I'm not gonna go through everything, but because there's a bunch of video showing like in depth of how to use all these. So charger and this thing and this. That's it. That's all it comes with. And put it on a side. Oh my god, look at this. Oh. Okay, let's open this together. So this thing, it turned on by itself. I gotta get a Wi-Fi. It's loading right now, so. I can't wait to do a lot of editing and uploading a lot of videos because I've been recording a lot of videos and
press the return key.
Okay, what? Wow, this is big. I love the screen, how big it is. Oh my god. But I want to upload as much as I can. So I've been recording a lot of videos and I want to do editing. I have a MacBook Air from like 2010? I don't know. But I think 2010. I'm not sure. But it keeps like, the storage is small, so I can't really do a lot. But now, oh, thank you, honey. Okay. No, I am not Italian.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
I don't think they have for Burmese. Alright. So I'm gonna set up everything and then I'm gonna start using this. I can't wait. Okay, anyway, I just use iMovie to edit my videos because it's very easy and simple. So all the videos that I've been having on my channels are recorded with my Canon G7X, not Mark II, not Mark II. It's Canon G7X, and I use my iPhone X to record it. So that's it for this video. I know it's a short.
Contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press the command key.
The touch bar. I just used the touch bar. Oh my god. I'm just being silly right now, but who cares? I'm gonna go now, so I will see you guys in my next video. If you like this unboxing video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah. Bye. What is it?
Don't move the box. Just open it. Oh.